What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel, if you don't already know that. It's a beautiful Saturday today. We're gonna head back out to the desert. Outskirts of Las Vegas is where I'm at. And I think the plan for today is to hop on the bike and go check out some petroglyphs that are on the side of this big rock in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty cool. It's a little different because of its location. Not many people visit it. So yeah, I guess let's get into the trail today. Holy mountain bike crew, dude. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright. Oh, it's gonna be a good ride today. Wish me luck, guys. Alright, so this GoPro shit drives me nuts, dude. I don't know how much I was able to just record, but here we are, man. Pretty sick outlook. We're heading down there, we're gonna cut off right, and we're gonna get to the petroglyphs. Finally. Had to switch out the battery, guys. This GoPro is kind of bullshit. I think I'm gonna switch over to DJI. Alright, let's get down this shit hill. Whew. Alright. I gotta cut off literally right up here to get over to that trail. Then we'll be well on our way. Whew. Cool. Get washy. Okay, time to check on X, because I'm pretty sure I am not in the right place here. Dude, I'm way off. What the hell? I'm turning around. I should probably get like a quad lock or something stupid so I can actually just look down at my phone occasionally. Cool. There we are. We need to get right there. Little rock section. This would be fun in the 4Runner. Funny enough, probably have been on this in the 4Runner. You doing all right?
Yeah, flat tire.
Oh, shit. That sucks.
Yeah. Got that tubeless set up too, and you know, give me a chance if I do get a flat tire. But so far, it hasn't really been worth it. It's been more issues than I mean, I'd get a flat tire on tubes a lot less, you know. But I don't know, man. I might go back to freaking the foam tubes, you know.
Oh, I bet. How long you been sitting here?
Like about an hour. Like I had to, like, you gotta deflate like both of like the inner tubes, and then you, like, I don't know, then you gotta like fill it back up to 120 psi, which is a bitch.
You gonna try and ride out of here as is?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna head that way, and shit, when I come back, if you're still chilling here, if there's anything I can do to help you.
I'll be alright. I'm just gonna put home.
Well, good luck, man. Hopefully this GoPro's still on. Man, stuff like that guy back there, he's been chilling there for an hour, man. Just kind of tinkering with that flat tire he got. That's just kind of the stuff that, like, I think about it, but I never think that I would really be in that position, you know. I don't know what kind of rider he is, how hard he rides this, that, and the other, but you know, it can happen to anybody. And honestly, I'm not set up for stuff like that on a bike, you know. I wouldn't really know what to do. Besides literally what he's gonna do. He's gonna cruise home on his flat tire and sort it out there. I would literally have, oh shit! I would literally have to do the same thing. Just putt home on a flat tire, because otherwise I wouldn't know what to do. So, let's keep the fingers crossed. Keep them vibes vibing. Woo. Just hope for a kick-ass day. Man, I love that red dirt. Oh yeah. There it is, guys. Man. What a rock. Wow. All right, guys. We made it. Let's go back like 2,000 years before this trail was here, before that city was back there. It was just nothing, middle of nowhere, roaming around this hot-ass desert. You come across these rocks, heading who knows where, and you decide to start just scratching shit to the sides of the rocks. It's really cool. So I know these rocks are absolutely riddled with petroglyphs. I mean, everywhere. If I were to hike any of these rocks, I would find them all over the place. The first one you see when you pull up on the trail is this one right over here. Random stuff carved into it. I don't know if you can see them. Let's check the backside. Here we go. Wow, look at that. All on the underside. That right there, all this grass, and it's all pushed down. That's something's bed. Could be a coyote's, bobcat, I don't know. Look at that. This is about as legit as it gets out here, guys. 2,000-ish years ago, someone stood right here and drew these pictures. I always ask myself, do they mean something? Or are they very much like how we are today, with graffiti and just drawing random crap on stuff, you know? There's been plenty of times where I see a piece of paper and I'm just gonna draw on it. There's Las Vegas, Nevada. Strip. The hustle and bustle of all the psychos come through the desert. And you got like 2,000-year-old petroglyphs in the rocks. It's running a little late in the day. I got a long ride home. Glad you came with me here. It's been fun. For those of you who followed this channel for the four-wheel drive aspect of things, next weekend, my buddy and I, we're heading out to Williams, Flagstaff, and Sedona area. We're gonna do a weekend camping trip, and I'll be making a video out of that. It should be an absolute blast. We're gonna hit up Broken Arrow Trail, things of that nature. I'll put that out as soon as possible, and I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoyed this. Middle of nowhere petroglyphs, dude. Can't get any better than that. Probably take it in second gear. Let's see. Wow, that was good. I do wonder what's up there. Let's go. I've never been up this. Wow. Wow, wow. Woo. Arm pump like a mofo, baby. Look at at that sick 4Runner. He knows what's up. Couple of little Jeepers. Oh, don't let me down, brother. Don't let me down, brother. Come on, 4 low, brother. Just got it. It's off-road. Put that locker on, bro. Put that locker on. Yeah, come on, baby. Let's give him some help. Yeah. Hi, would you like some assistance?
Yes.
There's a 4Runner right there that just got stuck right there. And helped him out. He was a beginner, but thanks GoPro for being a giant pile of shit.
Well, with that being said, this boy will be switching from GoPro real soon. Thank you all for watching, and we hope to have you back for the next video. Hit that subscribe button and check out the channel.